Are we upset?
No.
I'm kind of upset.
Why?
Because these are Harley Davidson fog lights.
They've been a pain in the ass.
Yeah, they've been a pain in the ass, but look. These are so much nicer than factory. And then when drilling, all the drilling fragments went inside the lens.
Okay, but...
So I can't get those out. You know, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna buy another set. I'm buying another set.
No.
Yep.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna buy a set right now. I'll probably buy them like next winter. Like I wonder.
Have to go through this whole
Yeah.
process.
I wonder if anyone's gonna be able to tell.
I don't think
You know?
so. And I think,
You think?
Once the car is moving, it's like vibrating. I think they'll move away from everything.
Maybe.
I think they'll go down.
Or what you could do is put them in the oven, melt the sealant, and then take the lens off and clean it out.
Let's not. There's wires. Let's not put them in.
So, all right. So today we are installing Harley Davidson fog lights, but I don't. They're LED, but I don't have. I wasn't aiming the camera correctly. I don't have the bolts that hold the fog lights in. At least I don't know where they're at. So now I gotta search through my bolts. And if we don't have them, then we're gonna install some door speakers, and I need to fix my cruise control. So that's what we're doing today. I never fixed the cruise control, so I can't fix it again if I never fixed it once.
Well,
I just
you
put a new.
attempted. You attempted.
I put a new switch on and it didn't fix it.
That was supposed to be the fix.
Yeah, but I don't know. There's more problems, more stuff to check. We're going to Houston. What day is it?
Today's Wednesday.
Wednesday. We're going to Houston Friday.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully we
The
get
plan was to go Saturday.
Yeah, well, Friday at midnight. Friday at midnight.
Well, now I'm leaving early.
Yeah, 9.
Oh, we're gonna have 4 hours on that. 3 hours?
We'll be there at 5 p.m. All right. Well, hopefully we'll find bolts.
What's wrong?
I don't think it's gonna go in
Why?
because to remove the bracket. I don't know. We're just stupid. It doesn't like fit. I might have to pull the bumper. So I'm upset. But we'll see. I'm trying to be crafty and.
Crafty?
Oh, there we go.
You're trying to be crafty?
Yeah, you never heard of that term?
I don't think that applies to this situation right now.
Yeah, it does. Being crafty? Never heard of being crafty? Well, there's that. I don't know.
Is it in?
That's what she said. Yeah, kinda. But no, the challenge of. Oh, wait. Aha! Pull! There you go. It's like in there, but. Wow, I can't believe I found those bolts. So when you're just having your fog lights on and no headlights, called it rolling fogs.
And that was the cool thing to do?
Yeah, that's Todd. It's called rolling fogs. We're rolling fogs.
Should I go ask him?
No,
Okay.
I mean, we'll get it later. Let's install this next one so we can get the finished product.
Word.
For sure, right? Is that what you said?
I said word.
Oh, you said for sure. All right, so the fog lights are a success. They are in. That's nice. And those are Harley Davidson that I got off of eBay. And they fit perfect. Well, okay, they didn't fit. They didn't fit perfect.
Anything but perfect.
Literally the farthest from
I don't
perfect.
think they saw the one bracket that had like 6 holes.
We didn't record anything on the drilling of the
Okay,
brackets.
well you should tell them that the one bracket has like 6 holes drilled into it.
No, it doesn't have 6. It's got 4. Or 5.
It's like 5.
It's 4 or 5. Anyways, I don't know. I'll link the thread on how to install these on your F-body because I didn't do any recording on how you actually do it.
Because they've been a pain in the ass.
Because it's been a huge pain in the ass. It's been a long project. So now let's look at that switch for the cruise and then fix the wire, and then we're going to do the speakers.
Shout out to my little hands.
Shout out to Anna's hands for pretty much getting these fog lights installed. Because without her little hands, wouldn't have happened. Oh, and here are the speakers we're installing. They are Kenwood KFC 17 something 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 whatever. Let's see. There we go. That's what I bought. Going in the front door. So, I gotta pull the door panel. It's gonna be fun. Oh, and I got window tint. 35%. You can't really tell. Well, the back's not done yet. You can tell. Alright. We'll see you in the next clip. I think I lost a bolt. Oh, you know what? It's probably stuck to the magnet. No, it's not. This magnet? Shit. Alright, whatever. I'll find it later. I'm losing shit all the time around here. I'm missing a bolt. Anyways, I don't know. Whatever. We hopefully are going to get this aftermarket speaker to fit in the factory bracket. I doubt it, but we're going to pray. Because I did not buy the hardware from Crutchfield. I bought these off Amazon because they were $30 cheaper. And now I know why. Because it didn't come with the bracket. And I'm missing a bolt. Alright, let's see. It's so crazy it just might fit. What?
I think I'm starting to get into the accent, Corey's.
It is so fucking crazy. It's crazy. This is crazy. I don't know where it goes. Where's the... I left that other stuff in my bag. Oh, those are the holes. If anyone knows what that's from. Oh, that makes sense. Alright, cool, we'll do that. Now I put these screws back in, see? And we're gonna really rally now. We're gonna rally. We're gonna get going here.
Did it fit in there?
I don't know yet. I gotta go grab the grill thing. Whatever the fuck it is. I don't know. Or we can just tighten it down without the grill thing. Oh. But this doesn't want to go in now. Thumbs up and subscribe. I guess we'll just guess. Power and ground. I have a voltmeter. I could just check with my voltmeter. I'm stupid. But we gotta reconnect the battery. Alright. We'll do it the right way. Oh. Listen to this. Junk.
This is a good song.
I know, but yeah, that's alright. So now, turn piece of shit Pontiac radio. Here on Pontiac Radio, the station of extinction because we don't exist anymore. Alright. Test it, speaker. Oh, I thought it was dead for a second. I think it's... I don't know if it's DC or AC. I've been out of college for years. And I gotta find a good ground. Oh, fuck. Let's go with the door hinge, I guess. I don't know. Back probe. Oh, that's not it. Am I stupid? There's not going to be power or ground. Do speakers just have like bullshit signal that gets sent to them or something? Am I dumb for doing what I'm doing right now? I don't know. I never installed speakers like this. Let's just say let's fucking wing it. How about we do this? Let's cut the ignition power. We're going to snip.
Snip, snap, snip, snap.
Snip, snap, snip, snap. Snip some wires. And we'll strip them fuckers. Ooh, I don't want to blow a fuse. Okay, so now let's. I don't want to waste a connector. You know what I mean?
Can't you just take it off? You have more than one.
I don't want to waste them. They were expensive.
They were $6.
All right, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
I don't care if they're $6. What was that?
The door?
Oh. I heard a tick noise. I thought a blue fuse. All right, hit the ignition to the on. Oh, you gotta put the key in. Oh. Is it turn it on? There you go. Now, hit the volume up on my radio. Up on the knob, the volume knob. There it is. It's working. Go to a different station. Click like number 2. Okay, click 1. Alright, so the light blue goes on the smaller one. Alright, can you, never mind. Alright, so light blue goes on the smaller one. Yeah. Alright, cool. We're getting shit done. My toes are frozen. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I didn't know you were recording. Because you need good connections, you know? You know? You know what I'm saying? Oh, well, you're not feeling it like I'm feeling it.
I'm feeling it.
Well, they're not feeling. Oh, I'm feeling it.
Are you feeling it, Mr. Krabs?
Are you feeling it, Mr. Gray? Oh my god. That's such a classic. Okay. So now we do this side. Oh, forgot the plastic. This little corner piece. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Stand by. Just come out. Come out of your hole. Alright. Alright. Now we do this side. Oh, come on. Oh, damn it. It'll never look cool. Alright, now we do this side. And we're done with this side. Once I get the stupid door panel out. Get a great shot of my butt with this camera. That's all you're gonna see. Oh, look at that. Look how much easier that was. They didn't see the struggle on the driver's side.
No.
That's how a proper door panel goes on that's not deformed.
Maybe you should just stop breaking things.
Maybe cars should stop being built shitty and old and cheap.
Blame the
Why
car.
are you pointing at the door? Am I even in the picture?
Yes.
You're like this way.
You are in the picture. You're not centered, but you are in the picture.
I like to be centered.
There you go.
Hello. Fog lights, speakers, maybe cruise control. Fixed tonight. Now we're gonna do what? Just gonna eat? We gonna eat?
We don't have any food made.
Yeah, should we eat though? Should we make it?
It's like 10:30.
Oh, we're gonna go to CVS. So we'll go to CVS. I don't really care if I don't eat. I'm not even that hungry. Okay, see ya. Okay, bye. See you. Bye.